Hello friends, so today we'll be learn this program, write a Java program to print the sum of two numbers of two types make of this program. So firstly is only normal program and secondly use an input with a make result in a terminal of output. So we will start now this video. So firstly I am make a sum of two numbers of file generate. I make this files and I want to go in my files and we are public static void main make and get a public static void main make this line for argument string of in the program. So we will instead of make our data types and with initialize the value and get some variables and get a data type of int and variable is a sum and equal to 24 and plus 26 etc another you are make the another number for you and calculate the all over sum of two numbers. And what is the case of this program? The case is the program first is a bin is a 24 balls and second bin put at 54 balls and or two bins is release the balls in a one box and plus and count the one box of balls and he is a 78 and similar this program to make calculate the overload sum programs and we are finally printed this sum and get the execute of your code and make the first type of your Java program in a sum of two numbers and calculate. This is our output is a terminal is a 50, 50 is a 26 and plus 24 is a 50 and change some value is a 45 and return again a execute your of code and 69 of two numbers of sum and he is inside this change of the value of 15 and execute the again code and he's all over sum of 60 and he is a one type of program and we will make a new program in a user input of basic scanner files with import Java util packages. So now start now this make programs. We are make already public class and some correction of this code and we are import the Java util dot scanner. So all over the import in get a start of import all over in Java util and import scanners. So we will start the import Java dot util dot star in oval or import the all libraries in Java and we will remove this integers and get a scanner file in a object to read input from the user and we will now scanner input file make. I make this file scanner system.in and a second line is a make from prompt the user to input the first number and the system.out.print the ln is not ln because make a print the first line of a user get a input and then after make a second input your file name in a terminal. So we are make the print line and here is a make and get some value of and complete my print file and lastly is not lastly is next line is number one is input to input box to enter and make a number one to get equal to input dot next int a user get a input for the first time. Mhm. All over the move the semicolon and end the line and prompt the user to input the second number. So now it get the print the line of input line and input complete the line of input second number and verify between the uh, some space for a good programmer and his understand of everybody and he is integer data types number one in calculate to number two. So I will be try to make int sum of two sorry num of two and is equal to and input dot next int and we complete the second input number and we are make the file of secondly input of finish and we will int equal to some one number one and number two make the int file and sum is equal to number one and plus number 2, and all over the number 2 file is add the two number of display and calculate of the sum two of the two numbers, and finally display a blank line of expression. Expression is I'm doing currently situation of a system, but out.println is a blank of the code, and he is a print of some line of vertically spaces, and get a finally system.out.println with a print a sum with some, and get a element of id is plus, and all over the get some lines of this code, and he is get the between of space, and he is look clearly for my code and execute my code. So what is output in my terminal, and get input of first number is a 40, and second number is a 45, and finally sum is of 85, is change the number of execute of again this programs, and continue for this code again. I'm doing 30, and secondly is 50, and all over the sum of 80, and you are make the better code and learn a basic java program to beginners, and get some opportunity and innovation, make your innovation. Thank you for this watch this video, like subscribe for more videos.